Hey there, science fans. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of robotics. Today, we're diving into the awesome world of robots. These incredible machines are transforming our lives in ways we never imagined. Robots are like the superheroes of machines, doing all sorts of cool things. They build cars, explore dangerous places, and even assist in space missions. And that's not all. They even help doctors perform surgeries with precision and care. But have you ever wondered how these mechanical marvels work? Robots are programmable machines designed to follow specific instructions. That means we tell them what to do by inputting code and commands. They follow these instructions to perform tasks accurately and efficiently. Robots are super important because they can do things that are dangerous or difficult for us humans. They can go where we can't and handle hazardous materials safely. Plus, they're way faster and more precise than we are. Robots are everywhere, working tirelessly to make our lives easier. From the coffee maker brewing your morning cup with perfect consistency to the self-driving cars of the future, navigating roads with advanced technology, these machines are changing the way we live, work and play. They are becoming an integral part of our daily lives, so buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the fascinating inner workings of robots. There's so much to discover and learn about these amazing creations. Imagine a robot as a living thing, well, sort of. These machines are designed to mimic certain aspects of life, making them seem almost alive, just like us. They need a brain to process information, to make decisions, and to control their actions. They also need senses to understand their surroundings and muscles to move and interact with the world. Let's start with the brain, the core of their intelligence. The brain of a robot is actually a computer called a control system. This system is crucial for the robot's functionality. It's like the robot's command center, telling it what to do and how to do it, ensuring it performs tasks accurately. Think of it as the robot's very own instruction manual, guiding its every move and decision. The control system receives information from the robot's sensors and then tells the actuators, the robot's muscles, what actions to take. This process is continuous and dynamic, but how does the robot know what's going on around it? How does it perceive its environment? That's where the senses come in. These sensors are vital for the robot's interaction with the world. Robots have sensors which are like their eyes, ears, and even noses. These sensors gather crucial data. These sensors help the robot detect light, sound, touch, and even smells. They provide the robot with a comprehensive understanding of its environment. Cameras act as the robot's eyes, allowing it to see its surroundings and navigate through various environments effectively. Now let's talk about those robot muscles. Robots move and interact with the world using actuators. These actuators are like electric motors that power the robot's movements. Think of them as the robot's arms, legs, and hands. Actuators can be powered by different sources like electricity, hydraulics, or pneumatics. Of course, every superhero needs a source of energy, and robots are no different. Robots get their power from batteries, just like the ones in your toys or phones. These batteries store energy that the robot can use to power its movements and sensors. Section 4. Types of robots. There are so many different types of robots, each with its own unique skills and abilities. From industrial machines to autonomous vehicles, the world of robotics is incredibly diverse. Some robots are pre-programmed, meaning they follow a specific set of instructions over and over again. These robots are designed to perform repetitive tasks with high efficiency and accuracy. You'll find these hard-working robots in factories, assembling cars and other products with amazing precision. They are the backbone of modern manufacturing, ensuring consistency and quality. Then we have autonomous robots. These advanced machines are capable of operating independently without human intervention. These brainy bots can think for themselves and make decisions based on their surroundings. They use complex algorithms and sensors to navigate and interact with their environment. Self-driving cars are a great example of autonomous robots. They are revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. They use sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. This technology promises to make our roads safer and more efficient. And let's not forget about human-controlled robots. These machines are operated by humans from a distance, allowing for precise control in various situations. These robots are like puppets, controlled remotely by humans. They are used in scenarios where human presence is either dangerous or impractical. Surgeons use these robots to perform delicate surgeries with incredible accuracy. This technology allows for minimally invasive procedures, reducing recovery times for patients. Drones are another example of human-controlled robots, capturing stunning aerial footage and even delivering packages. They are transforming industries from filmmaking to logistics. Section 5. The future is now. The future of robotics is looking brighter than ever. With advancements in artificial intelligence, robots are becoming smarter and more capable every day. Imagine robots working alongside humans in hospitals, schools, and even our homes. So there you have it, science fans. The amazing world of robots is full of wonder and excitement. I hope this journey has inspired you to learn more about these incredible machines and the amazing things they can do. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop learning. Until next time, stay curious.